Not in my house, that's for sure. And here's Herbie with the latest update on the Windmill Windup 2012.
Unquestionably, Steve. The Windmill Windup registration closed recently, with more than 120 teams hoping to secure one of only 80 spots. Just today, the organisation announced that the Dutch national mixed team have been selected for the 2012 edition. They will be looking to use their home field advantage as they prepare for Worlds in Osaka.
Well, as long as they're wearing bikinis, Herbie. As long as they're wearing bikinis. Well, that's all for us here in the studio tonight. Thank you for watching. Good night.